Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to restore File Explorer to default in Windows 11. So for this case we have to go to the folders. Here this PC, we'll click the three dot sign. Here options, we'll click. So three options, folder, general, view, search. Here we will click here, already have. Then we will select the three options. Which one? Show recently used files, show frequently used folders, show files. All this is whatever you want. That means recently that you have used, you wanna see. So this is, I think, the most interesting and important issue in computer or in any kinds of thing. So we will first of all select the three options, then apply here, as well as we will do the press the OK sign. So now close. Again we will open this file explorer. See, before we are not able to resend file. Now when we settings from the options, then we will see it clearly. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much. Please subscribe this channel.